Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Alright, so Jack, who is the CEO of Twitter, posted something about 4 hours ago, and the link is v.co.tweets.20. So what does that mean? Let's check it out. So you gotta click, it loads. So apparently what he did was to load up his first tweet. I think this should be his first ever tweet. Just setting up my Twitter. Of course, he was just setting up his Twitter account, and he had to load the tweet here. And guess what this means? This means he's offering to sell this tweet. Right? Anyone can buy this tweet. Once that means this tweet right now is now an NFT. What is an NFT? NFT means non-fungible token. That means it is a digital. Should I call it? Yeah, it's a digital form. Of course, the tweet is digital. How do I put it now? A non-fungible token just means the tweet is now valuable, right? It's now cost money, right? That has monetary value, can be traded, right? So that is what it means, right? So, and the number of this platform is Cent. I'll drop the link in the description so you guys can check it out. So now, what is Cent? To know what Cent is, let's just quickly move on to the FAQ. As you must have guessed, this is the Ethereum logo, so it's all right. So let's just go to the FAQ so that we can know what Cent is. So what are the terms of this transaction? I will not walk us through everything, so I won't waste our time. So FAQ, one of the questions here is, what would I pay to own a tweet? Owning a digital art, digital content can be financial. It can be a financial investment, hold sentimental value, and create a relationship between collector and creator, like an autograph on a baseball card. So basically, the content now has value and is unique. How do I buy a tweet using valuables? So go to v.cent.co. So that's the URL right there. Input the URL of the tweet you want to make an offer on. Very simple. So you log in to valuables with your Twitter, so you can verify which tweets are yours, right? And then you add MetaMask. What is MetaMask? MetaMask is a wallet. This is what it looks like. There's a Chrome version, there's iOS, there's Android version, right? So you just install your MetaMask either in any of your devices, right? I've already done that. You can put that into your Chrome extension, right? If you already have an account, all you just need to do is input your 12 seed phrase. I'm going to close my WhatsApp so that I can input your 12 seed phrase, and or you just create an account. It's super easy to do. And once you're done, this is what it will look like on your desktop when you want to. But the MetaMask kind of look like something like it will be at the top right side. It depends on where your extensions are on your browser. But I don't know if you guys can see what is loading right now. So this is my own MetaMask created especially for this video. Super easy to fix. Alright, so once you log in, right, with your Twitter, right, you connect your MetaMask, and then you can start tweeting and selling your tweets, or selling your tweets. So what can I do with the tweets that I own? You can resell it. You can resell the tweets you own. Where does the money go? 95% of the money goes to the original creator, and 5% goes to running valuables by Cent. For secondary sales, 87% goes to the seller, 10% goes to the original creator. This just brings in a whole new light to content creation. That means people will find. That means tweeting becomes valuable. Social media becomes valuable, and this is what someone like Dan Larimer was trying to do with Steemit. Others have used Steemit before, and this is what he is trying to do with voice also. Well, the problem with Dan Larimer is he doesn't know how to market his products. Steemit.com was the first content I made thousands of dollars from Steemit. Yep, thousands of dollars from Steemit. Anyways, moving on. How many times can someone mint the same tweets? The tweet itself can only be minted once on valuables. The NFT, though, can be bought and sold unlimited number of times. So this is what makes it unique, because it can be minted once, right? So else somebody you can take someone's tweet. Several people can take someone's tweet, so you have to be fast to get a valuable tweet and sell it. How do I counter someone's? You just have to pay 10% premium. What if the creator doesn't accept my offer? Right, your money gets back to you in 24 hours. If the creator changes his mind, the same thing. After accepting my offer, the transaction on the blockchain are irreversible. Right, so that's what makes it beautiful. What if I change my mind after my offer is accepted? Same as the above. So as long as the transaction has been made and you change your mind, there's no point changing your mind, right? Whose tweets can I buy? Currently, you can make offers on any tweet authored by a public Twitter account. Can I make an offer on my own tweet? No, but we are currently developing ways for creators to mint their own tweet without having to sell. Now, this will make super sense, right? Makes it faster. Where does the tweet NFT metadata live? It lives on the Matic blockchain, right? So the metadata lives on the Matic blockchain. So if you don't have any Matic coin, please do make sure you get some. Now, what is ETH? ETH stands for Ethereum and is a cryptocurrency with real world value. You should do your own research on how cryptocurrency works, blah, 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 blah. What's an NFT? Okay, here's an explanation right here. NFTs make a piece of digital content one of a kind. You'll be the only person who can claim ownership of that NFT that you own. This means you will have control of the NFT, like the ability to resell, distribute it, and it will appreciate or depreciate in value. Still confused? No, thank you. Good. All right, let's go back to the cents. Where's the cents? And also, I forgot to mention something valuable, because someone might ask, why are they using Matic? Why not Ethereum? Ethereum is super slow and expensive in fees, so that is why they are super smart enough to put it on the the metadata on the Matic blockchain, because Ethereum cannot hold social network. Ethereum is pretty slow. All right, so this is what Cent looks like. It doesn't look too beautiful, but it gives you money. So buy and sell tweets autographed by their original creators. So this is a tweet right here by Sid Hodge, offered for $5. Yeah, she has a good body right there. Anyone know how much beekeepers make asking for a friend? Willing to sell for $1. This guy is willing to sell for $25. Let's see. Important reminder for my 4 months, $25, $4. Yeah, I love this tweet right here. Right, remember how a guy sold used $10,000 Bitcoin to buy what am I saying? Using 10,000 Bitcoin to buy pizza. That's equivalent to what this guy is just saying. Having deleted old tweets is the new having bought pizza, I guess. Right? So if you have tweets, don't be deleting your tweets anyhow, because someone might want to buy it. This is bringing a whole new use case to blockchain, right? So I'm going to be making some couple of tweets, and let me see if I can show you guys how to set up. So I'm doing this for the first time, so all right. Of course, it has fees. That's the problem. Okay, but let's see. But if I can continue to set up in this video, I'm going to do it in another video. So I just click setup right now, and I want to log in with Twitter, and it's trying to authenticate right now. So I'm going to authorize app, and it's redirecting me back to the app. So let's see if the setup is complete. Now the question I have right now is, can I make a tweet without a fee? Because that's the problem that Dilemma has solved, where social networks can live without a fee. You can make posts without a fee. All right, let me go to my profile. Okay, I have nothing yet. So how do I make a tweet? So let me find out. Before doing that, let's check the tweet that Jack Dorsey, who is the CEO of Twitter, his first ever tweet. So he offered to sell it. All right, so these are the offer history. So what? Someone is willing to pay $267,000. Where are these guys seeing this money? This one is willing to pay $242,000. What? This is $100,000. These are, damn. What? What in the world? 4 hours ago. 2 hours ago. And guess what? The person that made the first offer gets 10% premium. So that means this guy offered $267,000. That means this guy will make 10% of this $257,000. Guy, this is a new business right here, man. Just go to Twitter, start getting tweets and be selling them at $1. Oh my god. Anyways, I don't want to get overly excited, but let me see if I can create one. But if I can't create one right now, because I'm doing it for the first time, I'm going to do another video after I learn how to. But let me go to Twitter, maybe get tweet from anybody at random. So let's see. All right, can I take this? I really don't. This is why I don't like. Anyways, personal opinion, but I'm not a fan of those who push COVID-19 scam. Right, but it is what it is. So let's see. So I've pasted the tweet, and there's an offer. There's an offer of $5. Right, so let me see if I can offer $10. That's 0.00. So my MetaMask pops up. I think it's pretty easy to use, right? Let's see. Yeah. So I'm connecting it to my MetaMask right now. So it's connecting to MetaMask, and let's see, it's loading. I hope you guys can see, because I don't know if I set the stuff to. All right, so it's connected to MetaMask, Vicent, and so I guess this is this links to the tweets. I'm not sure it will work right now because my ETH balance is 0, but I just wanted to see insufficient funds right there. Okay. That's basically how to do it. So I'm going to load up some funds and start selling some tweets. Now, imagine you meet someone on the road and the person will be like, you're like, oh, I'm Mr. James, I'm a medical doctor. And then the guy says, I'm Mr. Sam, I sell tweets. The guy will be like, sell tweets? Sell tweets? I'm a graduate, and I've seen so many graduates around the world. No one goes to school to learn how to sell tweets. What do you mean by you sell tweets and you have a car? Yes, I sell tweets for a living. That's going to be the thing. Now, I imagine this happening to other social networks. This is a genius idea. You're turning every tweet into an NFT, right? Turning every tweet into an NFT. Who knows, in the next couple of months, Instagram will be doing the same thing. Maybe putting it on, any other blockchain, or they might create their own blockchain, right? Of course, it cannot be on Ethereum. Ethereum cannot handle that. Ethereum can be used to sign the transaction, because that's what is currently being done now. Ethereum blockchain is used to sign the transaction while the metadata is stored on the Matic blockchain. Anyways, this is some valuable stuff right here. So for those of you, you can sell my tweet. What's my Twitter handle? Please, if you want to sell, please come sell my tweet. My Twitter handle is samstickkzjo right here with a Joe, samstickkzjo, you know what I'm saying? All right, now please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and just break. Oh my god, my database is showing. Anyways, it's fine. Please just destroy that like button. Smash the hell out of it. You know what I'm saying? See ya.